Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you're all good and well. And today I'm going to make roast chicken. So here are all the ingredients. I've got 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds crushed, some oil, 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 4 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. I'm using 4 chopped up chilies, green chilies, fresh green chilies, some fresh coriander, and some crushed up garlic. And I've got the chicken here ready, all washed and cut into pieces. So there's 30 pieces altogether, and that's 15 drumsticks. And I've done these cuts as well in them, so all the masala can go in them. And I've got 15 thighs, so there's 30 pieces altogether. And I've just cleaned and washed them. And now I'm going to put everything in the bowl. So I'm going to put all the ingredients into a bowl here, and then I'm going to mix the chicken. So one by one I'll put all the things in. So that's the chili flakes, chili powder, that's paprika powder, they look the same, salt, tandoori masala, fresh coriander, and some crushed cumin seeds, green chilies all chopped up, and crushed garlic, and the yogurt as well. So I'm going to use it well to mix everything. Okay, I need some more yogurt, so I'm going to put some more yogurt in. Put 2 more tablespoons in there, so that's 6 altogether, because there's 30 legs, chicken legs. That looks just right. So I'm going to put all the chicken in now. One by one, I'm going to put the chicken in. Mix well. Just going to show you a few, and I'll just do all the rest. As I always forget something in my recipes, and this time I forgot the lemon. So I'm using fresh lemon here. I'm going to squeeze it in here. I took some seeds out, there's still some in there, so just take some out. And I'm going to mix it well. This is all done now. So I'm going to leave this for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to make it on the barbecue because the weather's really nice today. So I'm going to leave it in the fridge a couple of hours, put some cling film on it, and then put it in the fridge. And the chicken is ready now, and my son's gonna taste it for us.
Okay,
Good.
it's really tasty and sweet.
Tasty and sweet. That was a chili sauce. That was sweet. It's not a chicken. The sauce was sweet and sour.
Yes, that's so,
Yeah?
so sweet.
So how was the chicken?
Very tasty.
Tasty, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.